Everyone, I have a lot of people ask me where's the best place you can find crab cakes in Ocean City. Well, this is my favorite place. It's called the Crab Cake Factory. This is the Loca Madre's location. It's on 120th Street. It's open all year round, 7 days a week. So that's why we're going here. We usually go to the original location, which is just literally across the street. So I'm excited to share this place with you guys. So let's go check it out together. So very cool. They have live music in the wintertime as well, every Thursday and Friday. We're just finishing up here. Delicious crab cakes, a really great spot. Lots of live music. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights, all winter long. Opened all year round, so definitely a place to hit up. They've won like the best crab cakes year after year for Ocean City and also like in the state of Maryland. So, anyways, thanks for watching.